This video is going to give you a quick overview of the new improvements that we have made to the system recently. So the first thing is about security, and we now have two-factor authentication. So to set that up, you can go to each agency user can go to their own profile. So they'll go to their profile, they'll scroll down, and you will see two-factor authentication. And you will have two options, and it'll be blank when you first go there, and you will click on it, and you can say with email, and if you choose with email, that means that you and your each user will get an email with a code that they will need to punch into SmartMatch login page. That's one way. The other way is with Google Authenticator. And if you have Google Authenticator, you choose that, and you will get this QR code. You'll need to upload or download the Google Authenticator app from Apple Play or Google Play or the App Store for a Mac, and that way you will get a code on your phone, and then you will be able to punch that code into the system so that you can log in. The second security item that we improved upon is bulk deletions. So let's say you search for a list, you do whatever you're going to do, and you want to delete a lot of people from your agency. So you sort the list however you sort your people however you want, and then you can select all. When you select all, you're going to see that it will give you a number up here of how many people are selected. And if you want to delete them all, you can go to Actions and Delete Clients. The new thing is that it's going to tell you exactly how many clients you're deleting, and you have to type in the word delete in order to confirm that you're going to delete people. So this will really help you and your team members not delete a lot of people by mistake. So that is number 2 security issue that we have solved. The third security issue that we have solved is that if you want your agency users to be automatically timed out of the system so that it will log them out as soon as their time runs out. So here's how you set that up. You're going to go to Settings and Agency Basic Info, and you're going to scroll down here, and you're going to see Session Timeout. It's set now for 168 hours. 168 hours is 7 days. So that means that if you or any of your agency users are signed in for more than 7 days, then they will be automatically logged out. You can, if you click here, you can change that to any number of hours that you wish. So that is another security feature that we have recently added to the system. Another improvement that we have made is that you are able now to collect payment directly from your submission form. To set that up, you're going to go to Settings, Clients, Settings, Client, and when you open Client, you will go to Submission Forms, and you can choose any submission form. I'm just going to go to a test form. And you're going to go to the General page, and you're going to scroll down until you see Payment Required. So right now this is set to yes. I'm going to set it to Unknown. Okay, right now it'll always be set to no as default. So Payment Required, it's already set to no. If you wish to add payment requirement, then you just click it, set it to yes, and you are good to go. You now can write up your payment description, the amount of the payment, And before you can set your payment method, you want to make sure you've set your payment methods in the finance settings. Once you do that, you can come back to this page and choose your payment method from the drop down, whichever you prefer. This is going to be credit card, and now you're all set to request payment. So now, if when they go through the submission form process, they fill it all out, I'm not going to do it now, and they submit the form, then a payment page will come up and they will be able to pay directly by credit card right through the system before their form actually submits to you. Now, you have to be connected with Stripe through SmartMatch, and then you'll be all set to go. So our next improvement will be to be able to send bulk email through SmartMatch. We know that a lot of people will be really happy about this. So what you do is you're going to go to your clients page, and you are going to sort your lists however you wish to sort them. And when you're ready, you can just go select all. And again, you're going to get the number here. You're going to you can go here to actions, send message, or you can send request profile update, or you can send bulk messages anyway. In this respect, I'm just going to go request profile update. It's going to tell you that if someone doesn't have an email address, it'll tell you. You can select from your template if you wish, and let's just do it that way. Please update your profile, and now you can send it. And what it will do is it is going to tell you here, profile update requests are sending on the background. That means that you can get back to work. You can do whatever you're doing within the system, and you don't have to wait for the system to send. So, and once it's sent, you can check your go to the dashboard. You can check the activities, and you'll be able to see that the email went out. It's working in the background. And if you have hundreds and hundreds to send, it will take a little time, but you don't have to wait. And we do suggest that you never try to send it twice or 3 times in the event that you don't think all of the messages went out. It will duplicate them, and that will drive your clients crazy. So that is another improvement that we've recently made. The next improvement that we've made is the ability to add multiple photos to the profile wizard. So once your client receives their update profile message, you can click on the link, and they can they can keep going on their profile. But when they get to the upload profile page, upload photos page, they can actually you can click here and add photos, and you can drag and drop more than one at a time. So let's say we'll do this one. I have no idea what I'm picking here, but they can choose as many. Oh, there's Yoda. You could choose as many as you want and drag and drop them. You can just say open, and they'll all appear, which is great. If you say, oops, I really don't want this one, you can delete it from here. You can also drag and drop right from your desktop or anywhere. So that's the scoop with that. Again, another wonderful improvement. We're really happy that that's done. And the last thing I'll tell you about today is that you now can set your the system in French. So if you go to Settings, Agency, Basic Info, you can scroll down now, and you can set, we have several languages now. So we have English, German, Dutch, and now we have French. So when you send your client an email and it's set to any of these languages, the email text from the system email text will be in the language that you prefer. So that is all done. You can check it out when you have a chance. And those are our major improvements that we've made over the last couple of weeks. We hope you find them them helpful. And if you would like some more information about them, we will be creating help text in our help section and some videos as well. You can always reach out to support with any questions.